Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode in our real life series. So I'm Logan, and today's actually going to be my first solo. As you can see, this is not X-Bryce, not a flight sim, real life, and yeah, I'm going to be flying by myself today for the first time, so pretty exciting, and let's get started. So I already did a pre-flight video last time, so if you want to go check that out afterwards, feel free to do that. So we're not going to do pre-flight today. We'll just go straight to the actual flying. Let's do that.
And big ground, X Romeo Charlie with you, apron 1, first solo, taxi to 07.
X Romeo Charlie, runway 13, altimeter 3027, taxi via Alpha, same squawk code 3007. Contact tower 1181, holding short.
3007 to runway 13, X Romeo Charlie. Okay guys, first solo, let's not mess this up. We have a pre-takeoff checklist. Flaps 50. Those are latch, caps handle, pin is removed, seatbelts are secure, air conditioner is good, recirc is off, fuel quantity confirmed, we are at fullest tanks, flaps are 50, transponder is set, autopilot is disconnected, set. That's all good, that's all good, that's all good, mixture's full rich, we don't need to do our run up, we already did that. Skip through all that. Engine parameters are looking good. And turn to 118.
Big ground, Cessna 172.
181 for tower. Fuel pump. It's good, it's good. All controls are free and correct. Trim is set for takeoff. My pilot is disconnected. Bay Tower, X Romeo Charlie, holding short 13 for 1 circuit.
X Romeo Charlie, roger, remain holding short.
Hold short 13, X Romeo Charlie. X Romeo Charlie, is the altimeter still 3027?
Affirmative 3027, and hold your position, hold short.
Holding short, X Romeo Charlie.
Bay Tower, Cessna 172, Golf Mike Alpha Zulu, 3000, descending for 1,500.
Don't need our pitot heat on.
Point, inbound for full stop with Charlie. Mike Alpha Zulu, Bonner Tower, runway 13, altimeter 3027, clear to right downwind. Monitor the inner tower 118.
So we're just doing 1 circuit today for my first solo.
X Romeo Charlie, line up runway 13 at Alpha.
Line up 13 at Alpha, X Romeo Charlie.
Echo Bravo, on Bravo, contact ground 124.3. I'll check out Bravo. Alpha Mike Echo number 2, follow a Tomahawk overhead the gas station. Alpha Mike Echo Tower.
And I was going to be a little surprised when I finish my solo and get back to the flight school, so keep watching for that.
Hey guys, Logan here. Unfortunately, the audio stopped recording, so gonna do a voiceover just to give you a little understanding of what's happening. And I was able to overlay air traffic control from liveatc.net, so at least we got a decent quality air traffic control recording.
Charlie from Alpha, purchase takeoff on 13.
Purchase takeoff 13, X Romeo Charlie.
Alpha Mike Echo, turn downwind.
And off we go. So just checking our airspeeds live, our gauges are all green. rotation 72 knots. There we go.
Drop the golf, keep it in close, circle line, runway 13.
And a little outside view. Not perfectly on center line, but I will take it. As I mentioned before, it's just going to be one circuit. If you don't know what a circuit is, look it up on Google, because that will explain a lot better than I can. One of my habits that I'm trying to break is I have a death grip on the yoke, so I gotta try to fix that. We're going to be doing another flight, not this Saturday, but next Saturday, so expect a video in a couple weeks for my next lesson. That'll be a little longer. Really sucks the ATC cutout, or sorry, the recorder.
Charlie number 3, follow a dime at 1 o'clock, turning right.
We'll be able to see it on the camera, but yeah, there's a little diamond DA40 or DA20, don't know what it was, in front of us.
I'd like to make a light left turn towards Cherry Point. I'll have direct these points for you momentarily.
You can actually see it on the synthetic vision there. Yeah, they're pointing it to it there, but you can also see it on the synthetic vision, little white diamond, which is pretty cool. It's the best ATC quality I could find, so sorry about it. And the yoke, as you called it earlier, Cirrus actually calls it a stoke, a kind of stick yoke kind of combo between the two. Really comfortable, actually. Really, really nice. You get the full travel of a yoke, but with the profile of a stick. So it doesn't take up a lot of space in the cockpit, and it's really, really comfortable. Kinda here. It's just using the GoPro audio there, but not very good. You'll be able to hear it when I'm taxiing on the ground, when the engine's at idle.
Tango Yankee Mike, no additional traffic for you. Surveillance services are terminated. Good day. Tango Yankee Mike, thank you. Charlie Charlie, traffic on the roll, also on the circuit. Quick for touch and go on runway 13. That is the full stop, extra on air side. Charlie Charlie, circle line runway 13. We're all up to extra on air side. Runway Delta Golf 50, left turn now, direct to the left, right downward. Take care, no Delta Golf.
Coming down on final here. Approach speed 78 knots, or VREF for those who fly airliners. Or jets in general, anyways. Trying to maintain that. And a pretty long runway here at Boundary Bay, landing on runway 13. So, a little off center line, but actually right by the touchdown markers, and a pretty smooth landing too, so. Also, one of my issues is I'm landing kind of flat, and I think I did a pretty good job on this one of hitting the back wheels first and then letting the nose wheel down.
Sure, Romeo Charlie, left turn on Delta, contact ground there, 124.3, good day. Upton Delta 143, thanks very much, that's on your turn. Bravo Zulu, clear to land, runway 13. Mike Alpha Zulu.
Okay, we'll turn off Delta here.
Little outside view. Hear my family in the background there. And Cirrus has all the checklists built into the MFD, which is pretty cool. Let's just go to the after landing checklist, turn off the runway.
Currently was at 1,000 fuel pump, we can turn off, flaps are up. Transponder is automatic. Lights, down here landing light, and pitot heat is off. Next checklist is shut down. Hey, Grand X Romeo Charlie for apron 1.
And just pulling in here, and it was actually, it was -2 outside, but it was just getting pretty hot in the cockpit. We had the heater on beforehand, so I actually just kind of opened the door, cool myself off, which, as you'll see in a couple of minutes here, I would have preferred to keep my body heat, but pretty good looking airplane, if I can say so myself. And no, the prop is not stopped, that's just the camera frame rate. And yes, you're supposed to leave your strobe light on this aircraft while you're starting off. It's pretty much your beacon. And shut down.
And shut down checklist, so fuel pump is off, and probably turn to idle. Good, mixture to cut off, all switches, ELT is off. Okay, that's that.
And as tradition, getting poured with ice water when you finish your first solo. And as I mentioned earlier, it was a little chilly. It's -2 degrees Celsius. So
Good job, buddy.
I'm a little wet.
yeah, that was a lot of fun. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. And we will have another video up soon. And please like and subscribe and comment if we should do anything different. We're just getting this series started. It's our second video. So yeah, please leave any feedback, and thank you.